Hello, here is the demo for List to Excel Lightning component. What this component does is to export in Excel the desired list view of any object, either it be a standard object or a custom one. In this demo, we will see how the component can be used in any community. After installing the component from the App Exchange, we can place it on the home page. Let's see how we can do it. Go to the home page. Click to edit the page. Search for export list view. Place it at the desired location. Click save and then back. Here is the view of the component. Let's see how it functions in community. We will see the details there. Let's go to setup all communities and then the list of all communities. Click builder for the desired community. To place the component, go to the top left corner of the component menu. Search for export list view. Place it at the desired location. Publish the community. Once the community has been published, we can log in the community as the respective community user. Here is our component. Let's see what it does. Let's start with the object list. By default, the list shows standard objects for which the community user has the permission to. To add the custom objects, one or more than one, from this plus icon. Let's select account. After selecting the objects, we get the option to select the list views. Let's select any of the list views. Here is the view of a data. We can export selected records as well as all of them, whatever is required. We can see that by switching between the list views, the column header changes. They are as per the selected list view only. Let's select random records, 10 from this page, two from this page. That makes it a total of 12 records. Let's click the export to Excel button. Let's open to file to have a look. See, 12 plus 1 row for the header. The file is same as the page here. To export all, there is a checkbox, export all. We can download here, we can download from here. Let's have a look. We have a total of 450 records. So we can see 450 plus 1 for the header. We have total of 451 rows. And same column headers, same columns as have been shown for the selected list view. That's it for the demo. Thank you.